Hey friends, a project was pending for a very long time. It was a big and difficult task to write the title and keywords for images. That was the one task that was consuming a lot of time to sort out and make easy. Now, to make that easier, we've built a tool. I didn't build this myself. I told someone I know, and they did it for me. What this tool does is, as soon as we upload our images here, that is, when we upload the images we've created or their previews, this website will automatically start writing the title and keywords for them. It uses the Gemini API, Google's Gemini API, to start writing them automatically. Right now, I have submitted a total of 1,000 images. Out of 1,000 images, 623 images. Oh, it's 24 now. Look, 62% is complete. So the title and keywords have now been written for 62% of the images. Okay? I'm testing this tool by uploading 1,000 images as a test. It's running perfectly. Within 2 days, the complete, full video about this tool will be released, explaining how you can buy and use this tool. I'll be back in the next 2 days with an easy tutorial. Okay, I just felt like showing this to you. Okay, once this is done, we can easily download the CSV file. As soon as we download the CSV file and upload it to Adobe Stock, the metadata will be verified. That's it. Okay, so I made this video to show you this. Thank you.